Hey guys, it's Rosemarie from Faith for Keto Kitchen. So I want to do a quick rundown on what you can eat if you're going to the movies. I'm getting ready to head out right now. Just locked up the house and we're about to meet up with a couple buddies to go watch a movie. We're going to watch Mamma Mia, which is amazing, the first one and the play. I always watch it with my daughter and it's something we do together. But I wanted to make sure, since she's just now starting keto as well, that I'll be able to bring some keto-friendly snacks. All right, and I got my little trusty backpack that I'm gonna put them in. Yep. And here's a few things that I'm gonna show you. But I'm gonna go in the car first, and I'll see you there. Okay guys, so my movie's about to start in about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna quick fast show you what snacks I like to bring for the movies, and I'll put them in my purse. So first thing I do like to have sometimes is Smart Cakes. Smart Cakes are so delicious. They are 0 carbs, non-GMO, no sugars in them, and just really tasty. If I'm in the mood for a cake, they have several different flavors: tangerine, coconut, chocolate. This one right here is chocolate, so I just was in the mood for chocolate today. All right. My next snack are delicious peely nuts. Peely Nuts is a wonderful company. I like this because it's high in fat and like super low in protein, because you don't need a lot of protein ratio, but it's really good. This one has 37 grams of fat and 7 grams of carbs, so that's really great, and 3 of those are fiber. So they also make tiny little packets that I normally bring, but once again, this is a cocoa flavor. I was in the mood for some chocolate again, guys, so this is really good. Another snack I like to bring is beef jerky. Any beef jerky that doesn't have any sugar in it or any, junk in it. But I really like Epic because they're a nice clean bar. And this one is venison. So delicious, about that big, see? 100% grass-fed, gluten-free, amazing tasting. And they have so many different ones like bison and even regular beef. So check them out. Take that to the movies with you, and it's small enough to fit in your purse or your pocket, guys. And another thing I love is to have some pumpkin seeds. I like pumpkin seeds with the salt on them because we want to get our salt in. So I really like pumpkin seeds with the salt. And these are a good ratio with protein and fats. And it's easy to put in your pocket. You can even take a little bit and put in a little mini snack size Ziploc, and perfect. And it's salty, and it'll help with that saltiness that you need because we're so used to the popcorn that it'll definitely help curb that craving. And we have 2 more items. The next one is the Kirkland's protein bars. I like these because they're made with stevia and a little bit of erythritol. And this one flavor is chocolate chip cookie dough, which I'm going to give to my daughter who is filming right now. I'm going to give this one to her because that's her favorite flavor, and also cookies and cream. But these are really good macros. And if you have a candy bar craving or something, it'll definitely hit the sweet tooth perfectly. And one more thing I like to bring, and I'm bringing today, definitely a water bottle, because you want to stay hydrated. But in that water bottle, because I want flavor instead of like a soda or a Diet Coke, because that has yucky stuff in it anyway. It won't change your macros or cause you to come out of ketosis or anything. But I prefer not to do the diet sodas all the time. So what I like to do is Zip Fizz. Zip Fizz has your potassium in there, all your vitamins, vitamin B's in there as well. It also has caffeine to give you energy. So if you want to replace your energy drinks, this will be perfect to have and take in a movie with you. So that's what I like for my movies, for snacking. There's other things I like to bring too, but I just wanted to share a few things that we're taking today to go see Mamma Mia. So you guys have a blessed day and enjoy this week. See you soon. Bye.